Evening. The last week has been dominated by discussions on the shocker of the world number 4 ranked netball team, Jamaica, drawing a home series with Barbados. The series came in the early stages of the controversial appointment of the new Sunshine Girls coach Jermaine Alice McCracken and on the back of the equally controversial suspension of 3 senior players. Of course, all eyes were on the coach even before the series began, given words uttered by her in her first interview with the Jamaican media. After that, the blow-up involving herself and some of her players when she insisted that they must swim to be a part of her program, and their subsequent refusal and then drawing with Barbados, that for many netball fans was the final straw. Alice McCracken is now offering what has become a popular excuse for national coaches. The preparation time was too short. And Netball Jamaica boss Dr. Paula Daly Morris raised many eyebrows when she said after the fact that the series was to help Barbados earn qualification points to next year's Commonwealth Games. Those excuses have done nothing to soothe the ire of Jamaica's netball fans. I was among those who insisted prior to the series that despite the unavailability of several senior players, any 7 women on the court should be able to beat Barbados. Veteran netball coach Winston Nevers said it aptly. The presence of a full-strength Jamaica team should blow away Barbados, while a Sunshine Girls team inclusive of the under-21s should comfortably beat Barbados. One of the points that has not come up frequently in the narrative this past week is that the under-21 players have been preparing for about a year ahead of their world tournament in Botswana this August. One positive would be the fact that those ladies gained valuable experience playing in the just concluded series. Netball Jamaica, though, has a lot of fixing to do now. The relationship between Coach McCracken and her players must be addressed urgently. It is not that I do not expect some resistance in the player-coach dynamic, especially a new coach. However, when it rises to this level, some intervention is necessary. The Netball Jamaica president has urged netball fans not to panic, but she and her board will have some work to do to retain the support and trust of netball fans and other stakeholders. I'm Karen Madden. Good evening.